This rubbish won't stand a chance against our litter pickers. Ready to clean up this beach, shipmate?
Ready.
Let's get to work. It takes a bit of getting used to. What are you laughing at? Gotcha. Good work, Sullivan.
That shell's huge.
It's a conch shell. If you hold it to your ear, you can hear the sound of the sea.
It sounds like waves. We've done it.
Good job, Sullivan. To us, a beach is a place to have fun. To other animals, like birds and turtles
And crabs.
and crabs, it's a home or a nesting site. Well, I never. Baby turtles!
They're hatching.
They normally wait until sunset to come out.
There's more. And even more.
Fantastic! Go, little ones, go! What do you know? We've just made a turtle highway.
A turtle highway?
A clear crossing from their nest over the sand to the sea. By cleaning the beach, there's no more litter to block their way.
Yay!
Hey! See, Sullivan? Doing something small can make a big difference. Like properly disposing of this rubbish.